What is your name? My name is. In which class do you read? I read in class. How many pencils do you have? I have 2 pencils. In which city do you live? I live in. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is. What is your father's name? My father's name is. Who is your childhood friend? Nidhi is my childhood friend. Do you have an extra pen? Yes, I have. What is the name of your school? My school name is. Which fruit do you like? I like mango. Which color do you like? I like black color. In which country do you live? I live in India. Which flower do you like? I like lotus. How many eyes do you have? I have 2 eyes. Which subject do you like? I like music. Subscribe my channel.